To enable theater mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and keep it on until you disable it manually, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap theater. Tap turn on manually and then select until I turn it off. Tap the back key. Next, tap turn on button. By doing this, theater mode will be turned on immediately and it will stay on until you turn it off manually. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.